Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you another chicken recipe. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I've got my chicken thighs or legs, however you may call it. I've washed them very well. I prefer to wash my chicken. Now I'm gonna come in with some lemon. I'll just squeeze the fresh juice onto the chicken. Next is the soy sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, curry powder, some white pepper, chili pepper, Thai curry, Maggi chicken seasoning, salt to taste. I'll go ahead and wrap the seasoning all around the chicken. Cover it up with a plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge overnight. So it's the next morning and the chicken is ready for the oven. I'll just arrange them on my baking net pan. Put it in a preheated oven of about 180 degrees Celsius. I'll be baking this for about an hour. So here we are. It's been after an hour and it is ready. I'll just sprinkle some parsley on it for you. This is the best oven grilled chicken you'll ever eat. You definitely need to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.